Rajata. In Sanskrit it is called as Rajata, in Latin Argentum, in English silver, and in Kannada Belli. Its paryayas are Rajata, Raupya, Shubhra, Chandraloha, Chandrahasa, Rupaka, etc. Its physicochemical properties are symbol Ag, atomic number 47, atomic mass 107.8, melting point 961.7, boiling point 2162 degrees Celsius, and density is 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. Its types are Sahaja, Khanija, and Kritrima. Its Grahya Lakshanas are Nirmala, Pichila, Snigdha, Mrudula, Nirdhala, etc. Its Samanya Shodhana is heating and dipping in Taila, Takra, Gomutra, Aranala, and Kulatakata for each 7 times. Its Vishesha Shodhana is thin plates of Rajata is made into red hot and immersed in Agasthyapatra Swarasa for 3 times. Paste of Swarnamakshika Bhasma and Nimbu Swarasa is applied over the thin plates of Rajata and heated for 30 Laguputas. Gunakarmas of Rajatas are Balya, Smritikara, Medhya, Garbhashaya Vishodhana, Rasayana, Madhatyaya, Sarvarogahara, Hrudya, Vrushya, Apasmara. Its Matra is 1/4 to 1 Rati and Anupana is Madhu, Navanita and Grita. In some yogas are Kasturi Bhairava Rasa, Vishama Jvarantaka Rasa, Trailokya Chintamani Rasa and Makaradhvaja Rasa.